Is it Christmas for you? I think this is coming out on December 25th, 2022. It's August 17th in my world. And this is Hans the Ramen Raider with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we're making this. This is Paldo Teumsae Jjajang noodle. Teumsae Jjajang ramen, Korean spicy. All right. So I got one I already tore up, and I am gonna do a mukbang. It'll probably come out. I don't know. It's kind of crummy. Everybody looks forward to the top 10 spicy lists. And I don't think I've done a lot of mukbang this year to speak of, so that's kind of difficult. There we are. So we got flake and noodle in 5 minutes. So let's cook and cook and cook and not boil over. I don't want that action. So there we go. So if it's Christmas for you, Merry Christmas. If you're celebrating any other holidays and you're not watching this the day this comes out, then happy holiday, upcoming holiday, late birthday, and what have you. Yeah, we're gonna go to the farmer's market today. I'm gonna walk the kids down there. My wife works right next to it, so we're gonna go and do that, and then we're gonna come home, I guess. Maybe I'll see if I can find some mung bean sprouts. That's something I do need, because these are expiring tomorrow, and I can't have that. I have a feeling all they're gonna have at the grocery store are ones that have already expired. Or see, here I go. I'm going on my angry tirade about the local store's mung bean sprout quality control. I don't know. I just don't know why we can't always have mung bean sprouts. But we'll see. How's things going in your universe? Wow, we just had a primary. A lot of people lost. A lot of people won. Yeah. It's going to be sunny. We got a heat wave. Today the high is supposed to be 86, so it's probably going to hit 90. It's not a very long walk, but I'm going to have to hose down the kids with some sunblock before we leave. They're not extremely keen on sunblock, but then again, neither am I. But they don't like sunburn. They're being extremely silly today. It's 10:35 a.m. This is the third review or cooking video I'm doing of the day. And then right after this, I'm going to go sit down over there and get screamed and yelled at by the children while I eat the whole damn thing. That is what I do for you. Yeah, but I really haven't done a lot of mukbang in a while. You know, this burner isn't that hot. I'm gonna put it on here and heat up the contents of this sachet. It doesn't even say to do that. EPTJ001 open. Yeah. It should be a shebang. We'll see how it goes. It's gonna be hot though, I know that much. Teumsae generally is a well-known spicy restaurant chain, I believe, in South Korea. But they've been doing like different spicy stuff for a while now. It's heating it up a bit. So far, the last two, not my favorites. But not bad, you know. Not making me like grumpy about it. Let's see, we got a minute 10. I will say I really do enjoy Paldo Noodle. Oh, quite a bit. But yeah. Oh, now it's really quiet out there, which is kind of worrisome. Why is it so quiet out there? What are you kids doing? Discombobulating things. Yeah, they're probably just tossing their room like rock stars in a hotel. That's what they like to do. They like to make a big mess and then they go, ah, clean that up. What are you doing? I'm cleaning up, but he's not cleaning up. Maybe not cleaning up, Mama. All the arguing in the world won't save you from just having to clean up. It's like homework. Just get the freaking homework done. Then you don't have to worry about it. Who wants stuff hanging over their head? Really? Don't put things off till tomorrow. You can say, oh, I already got that done. You know. There's something nice about being able to go, psst. What? You didn't do that? Oh, whatever, dude. I already got that done. That was no big deal. You can be snotty. If you wanna. So it says to stir it in. So that's what I shall do. Honestly, the thought of eating like this huge amount of noodles, it's not all that appealing. Mukbang is fun, but not fun at the same time. It's like, oh cool, now I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna have a timer in the corner. I'm gonna eat it rather quickly. God, I hope this isn't like... I hope it is, you know, I really like this to be ultra spicy, because if it is, then I'll fast track it and it'll go on the top 10 spicy list. But then again, this is a lot of food. That sounds like a serious gut check. But I will say, of all the jjajang that I've tried, I would say Paldo's really got the best one, because it's got that retort pouch, at least the non-spicy one. It's got a nice retort pouch, lots of black bean sauce. Oh yeah. I've had spicy jjajang before, and I'm just like not a fan. I think those are two things that don't go together. You like spicy chocolate milk or a... Yeah. I don't know. The bulldog one I really didn't like. I remember that. I haven't had it in a while though. But I haven't done anything ultra spicy in quite a while. So this could be really something. But we'll find out, you know. I'll do it for you. Because I know you guys like watching me like eat spicy junk. Or at least that's what I've heard. It smells, I'm smelling the heat, but it does smell good. It smells tasty. I know there's vegetables in here and stuff. I know they're in there. I saw them plop out of the package. Them there vegetable. What kind of vegetable is that? A lot of legume? I don't know. Alright. So there's our gach. Our Klingon serpent worms meal. And then we have... I'm going to just put a little bit of spring onion on there. And a little bit of seed. I'm not going to leave it naked. Come on. Oh God, they're shrieking. Just a pinch. Now, I want this to look nice. I think that's gonna work. I think. Yeah, I'm calling it good. I don't want to. What was its name? Guy named Dave that I used to know real well. He used to use the term futz. It's like, don't futz with it. Okay, I won't futz with it, dude. I won't, I promise. All right, so that's that. You're not going to see me taste it or anything right now, but if you look up professional mukbang in my channel and you look up Jjajang, Jjajang, right? Jjajang, you'll find it and you'll get to watch me eat it. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, and I'm hoping you're wishing me luck. If it's Christmas, Merry Christmas. Be well in the new year, and yeah, have a good one. Bye-bye.